Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click subscribe for you to receive updates about jazz tech videos. Hit like below and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't, this terrifying creature will knock on your door tonight. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 is a key part of the security around your entire property. Now, you'll always be connected to your home, so you can watch over your property and answer the door from anywhere. See who's at your door, prevent crime, and protect your home, all from your phone, tablet, or PC. What are the features of Ring Video Doorbell 2? 1080p HD video, advanced motion detection, live view, 1-year limited warranty on parts, lifetime theft protection, works with iOS and Android, Wi-Fi connected, available in 2 fashionable finishes, does not require connection to a wired doorbell.
Welcome to the ultimate guide on setting up your Ring Video Doorbell 2 and Ring Video Doorbell 4. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get your doorbell up and running in no time. Let's start with the Ring Video Doorbell 2. Begin by downloading the Ring app on your smartphone and creating an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, select Set up a device and choose the Doorbell 2 from the list of options. Next, ensure that your doorbell is charged or connected to the provided micro USB cable. With the doorbell powered up, press and release the orange setup button on the back to put it into setup mode. Within the app, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can personalize your settings and customize the motion detection zones to fit your needs. Now for the Ring Video Doorbell 4. The setup process is quite similar. Open the Ring app and go through the device setup, selecting the Doorbell 4 this time. Again, make sure you have a charged battery or plug in the micro USB cable. Press the orange button on the back to enter setup mode. Within the app, follow the prompts to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Just like the Doorbell 2, you can adjust settings and fine-tune your motion detection preferences. Both doorbells offer impressive features like HD video, two-way audio, and real-time notifications. With the Ring app, you can receive alerts on your smartphone, tablet, or computer whenever someone approaches your door, giving you peace of mind, even when you're not home. And that's it. Now you know how to set up your Ring Video Doorbell 2 and Ring Video Doorbell 4. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.
To know more on how you can set up the Ring Video Doorbell 2 in the Ring application, let's watch this video.
Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can set up the Ring Video Doorbell 2 in the Ring application. I successfully installed the Ring Video Doorbell 2 on my front door. I used the mounting screws in the box and including the screwdriver. It has its own screwdriver and it has its anti-theft screw that you can install at the bottom of this device. And before you proceed in setting up the device in the Ring app, don't forget to fully charge the battery pack, including in the box. You will notice if this is already fully charged, if it will show only one light pattern, because when you connect this one to the charger cable, you will be able to see 2 light patterns, orange light and the green light. You will know if it's fully charged if it only show a green light pattern, a steady light pattern of green light. Okay, so that's it. And since we successfully charged the battery, so let's proceed in setting it up. And as you can see, this is the cover, the removable cover of this Ring Video Doorbell 2. In order for you to remove it, you can just go ahead and do this. Push it at the bottom, upward, then pull it like this. In order for you to remove the cover of this doorbell. And then there is the battery compartment below. You need to insert this battery and you will be able to see this light pattern, a flashing blue light, indicating that it's trying to power on. Okay, now we have to wait for that one. because it's trying to complete the boot up process. While waiting for the device to boot up, you have to install the Ring application. If you already have a Ring account, that's a good thing because you will be able to log in after you download the Ring app on your mobile phone. You can just go ahead and open your Play Store for Android users or App Stores for the iPhone. Okay, and you just need to go to the Play Store, then search for Ring Always Home. That is the Ring application, Ring Always Home. Ring Always Home. There it is, Ring Always Home app. So it will immediately open the Ring app right there. And of course, I already have it, so I just need to open it up. And then, in order for you to set up this device, you need to go to set up a device. And this is a doorbell, so we need to select doorbells. It will say that I'm ready. It will advise you to scan the QR code, and you just need to click it. And since we don't have a QR code for now, you can actually click the options. Can scan QR code for now, so you need to enter the code manually, and then proceed to select or find video doorbell 2. Then go continue. Then let's say this is our front door. Then it will show you caution on how you can use the screw, the security screw at the bottom, where you can use at the bottom of this device. So click got it. I already found the correct screws or security screws, and then continue. I removed the film, so continue, and then yep, that's it. It will advise you to insert the removable battery, but we just successfully did it earlier. It powered up, now it's ready to enter setup mode. So it will say that you need to grab your Wi-Fi password because you need to connect this one to the Wi-Fi. I am near to the device, and then it will tell you to press the setup button. The setup button of this doorbell can be found at the upper right. There it is. This is a small black button or the setup button, and you will be able to see it obviously here, the label setup button. So I just need to press it and release it. You should be able to see this light pattern, this spinning white light pattern, indicating that it's already in setup mode. Now let's click light is spinning white. Okay, now it's trying to prepare the setup. Let's wait for this one, and let's click got it. The Ring app wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi, and there it is. I mean, the Ring 77EB1C is my Ring Wi-Fi network from this device, so we have to click that one and then connect it to my Wi-Fi. Again, it will not ask for my password from my Wi-Fi because I already have it earlier when I was setting up the other devices. Click continue. It's a success, so that's great. Let's skip it, or I already installed it. Then skip it for now. So this page will show you how the Ring devices are connected together, or you will have an option to link them together. If the device detected a motion on the front door, your other devices from the back door, side door, they will also go and record the area in order for the theft or burglar to go away, or for you to capture the event. Let's skip it. Skip it for now. Take note that these settings will be changed, or you can change it anytime. Skip it for now, and I'm done. Okay, there it is. I already see the front door right there. But let's double check if it's still updating, but it seems like it's successfully updated. So if that's the case, we will be able to try this device. The light pattern is no longer flashing or it's ready. And I have a security screw, so don't for after you fully set up the device, you need to put the security screw at the bottom. That is the anti-theft security screw. It's a unique screw. You cannot find it to hardware stores and so on and so on. So let's give it a try though. As you can see, I received a motion detection on the front door, and I believe that is me. I'm just standing here and set up this device. So let's try to test it. Now I'm going to ring it, and you will be able to see the notification. I just rang it. There. Someone is at the front door, and it will produce a sound. You just need to click it. And once clicked, you will be able to see your front door. That's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe below. Comment if you have any questions or any suggestions, and share this video to your family members or friends. Thank you so much.
There will be a lot of videos in the future. Don't forget to click subscribe to receive updates for the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching Jazz Tech. Have a great day or good night.